In this video, you'll learn how to tag new subscribers in Mailchimp. This process will help you better organize your audience and tailor your marketing efforts based on subscriber characteristics. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL. Once the page loads, you may be prompted to sign into your account. If so, enter your credentials and click the login button. After successfully logging in, you will arrive at your Mailchimp dashboard. Next, locate the Audience tab on the left-hand side of the dashboard. This section is where you manage your subscribers. Click on Audience to proceed. Depending on your account setup, you may see various audience lists. Select the audience you wish to work with to view the contacts associated with that list. After that, find and click on the specific contact you want to tag. This action will take you to the contacts profile page where you can see detailed information about that subscriber. Make sure you are looking at the correct contact before moving forward. Now look for the option labeled Tag Contacts. This button is usually located within the contact profile view. Clicking on this will allow you to manage tags associated with that subscriber. Once you click Tag Contacts, a list of existing tags will appear. Next, select the tag that you created for this subscriber. This step is important as it helps categorize your contacts based on specific criteria, which can enhance your targeting in future campaigns. After selecting the appropriate tag, confirm your choice. Once you have selected the tag, locate and click on the Apply button. This action will apply the tag to the subscriber and you should see a confirmation message indicating that the tag has been successfully added. This confirmation is crucial to ensure that your tagging process has been completed correctly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.